Model, 2014 Mercedes Viano 2.2 CDI long, Ambiente MOTED spares OR repairs fantastic for export worth $ throwing kisses. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 191008. MOT, 17th of January 2025. Engine, 2143 CCM 651DE22 LAD. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. We bought this with bottom end knocking, but the engine seized on us. Automatic gearbox looks all good, top spec definitely worth putting an engine in this beauty grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,